So today we're making some stuffed bell peppers. And this is bell peppers and onions right here. And then over here, I boiled my bell peppers for 5 minutes. Took them out. So now we're gonna stir fry these onions and bell peppers here. And then we're gonna take a pound of ground beef and fry it up with the onions and bell peppers. But I'm just kind of like saute it a little bit, so you know, the sauteed onions make everything taste better. So there we go, you guys. So now I'm gonna go ahead and chop up this 1 pound of ground meat up in there. Let it cook down until it's brown. So now I'm going to go ahead and add in some of this Tony Sasseries here. I'm going to say about a teaspoonful, not too much. We're going to add some salt. Add a little salt. And then we're going to, so our ground beef is fully cooked. We're going to add in 1 cup of water, just like so. Let it get hot. You want all them gravies, some seasonings and stuff from the ground beef in there, from the bell peppers cooking and sauteing. But yeah, you guys. You're going to use 1 box of stove top stuffing, turkey flavored. And go ahead and pour it in there. You're going to go ahead and give it a good old stir. And we're going to go ahead and get our hand mixer, and we're going to just combine all this together till it's creamy and smooth, because we don't want no lumps and chunks. So we're going to go ahead and stir it up, mix it up. So now we're just going to put our mixer on slow and just let this cream. Stuffing is done, so we're going to go ahead and scoop the stuffing inside of the bell peppers. Just put it in there. So now we're going to go ahead and put them in the oven on 350. I preheated my oven, so we're going to go ahead and put them in the oven right now. And let them cook for 15 minutes. I still have some more peppers left to make. Let's finish peppers.